welcome back to my channel for more fun with your girl Karja. So today in this video we're gonna do a little grocery haul. We're gonna call it Granny Girl's list of groceries because I'm coming mad casual today. I'm literally just walking the house and put the groceries down, changed into my little moo-moo, you know. It was my grandma's. See how we styling and profiling, okay? And then we're just gonna go over what we bought from the store, you know, just what we bought from the store. So yeah, let's get into it. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe for more fun with your girl Karja on this channel where we have our J Babes community and it is lit here. Make sure you guys like and comment on this video and definitely follow me on all my social media so we can get active with each other. And hi Karja with the 3 eyes. So yeah, let's get into the video. I'm really not doing this in any type of orderly fashion. I went to 2 stores. I went to Target, I went to Publix. Really, you know, just gotta see what we got. So, of course, gotta get some veggies. I got 2 of these. And then I got some cheese. These are gonna go really great with my tacos. Oop, and you know I had to get me some candy because I can't really have that much sugar. But these candies bust. Okay, they only have 3 grams of sugar. Not bad. Not bad at all. Alright. Let's see what we got in the next bag. So I got my whole grain spaghetti noodles. Because, you know, your girl can cook up some spaghetti. Secret recipe. I'll give it to you later. Then we got some fruit by the foot. These stuffs is on sale. Like, I think buy one, get one free or something like that. We got some mods. Yep. So we also got some taco shells. Because, baby, I cooks the chicken tacos. Y'all love to cook, but I can't share my recipes with everybody, but I really do love to cook. And then, of course, we got the Taco Bell sauce. Got the mild, because my booty hole can't take extra spicy no more. It just can't do it. It just can't do it. And then we got some sour cream. Can't have a taco without sour cream. If you eat tacos without sour cream, it's something wrong with you. Okay. And then we got the Bertolli garlic Alfredo. Some definitely cook some chicken Alfredo. Got some spaghetti turkey meat. I use this for different things, but I mostly use it for spaghetti. Let's see. What else we got? You know your girl gotta come through with her salad. Okay, so wait. So I eat my salads out of this little bowl here. I got it from Target. It was like $3. If it's not in this bowl, I don't want it. You can keep it. Then we got another one of those. I think I got like 3 salads or whatever. Okay. And we got the taco seasoning. And yes, I know this has a lot of sodium. I don't use a lot of it. I literally use like a little pinch just for the flavor. Okay, don't come for me. Don't come for me. What else we got? We just got some meat, like little chicken drumsticks. Maybe some curry chicken with those, or jerk chicken drums, and whatever. Like little chicken breasts or whatever. And let's see. We also, oh my god. I almost fell. I need my onions, and yes, I soak all myself. I cut it up. I soak it in vinegar. If you don't, it's something wrong with you. Then I got my potatoes. Potatoes, zucchini. Gotta have the zucchini. I chopped this up so finely. He don't even be knowing it's zucchini in the food. I be so excited because, like, I love to cook. Broccoli. I figured I'll throw y'all off for a second. Sorry, it's just so funny. Like, got some tomatoes. Got some tuna. Only 1 can come. Really like it like that, but I eat it. Be the last thing I eat. Then I got some pickles. So sometimes I put cucumbers, but instead of cucumbers, I like to put pickles in my salad. Try it. It busts down. Now, I'm not about to go through all of these that I got, but we got like 10 of these drinks. I love me a good body armor drink, especially after the gym. However, I drink, hold on, wait a minute. I drink the low calorie one, the like zero sugar added. So it's like low in sugar for me. And then the other one, like the regular ones or whatever. Gotta take a Coke break. Ooh. But I got this Olive Garden fruit punch. Buy one, get one free. Just gonna wrap this up. Got some more rice. And I think that's pretty much it for like the groceries. The only other stuff that I got was like personal care items and stuff. Like I got this right here for his birthday. His birthday just passed. And of course, got some more like CeraVe napkins, all that stuff. But anyways, your girl is tired. Okay. I'm tired, and I lied when I said that I was gonna come home and cook because baby girl about to go to Chick-fil-A. Anyways, I love you guys. Thank you for visiting my channel. Make sure you come back. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media. As I was saying when my video rudely interrupted me, follow me on all my social media for more fun with the girl Karja Dunn. That's Hi Karja with 3 eyes. I'm pretty sure. I should be the one that know I made it. Anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in. See you later.